Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of my friends and family are always asking me, how do I get my yard to the next place? How do I make it better? How do I make it dominate the yard? And I've got 3 simple solutions for you to improve your yard. And it all starts and revolves around the lawnmower. Number 1, mowing height. Maybe your neighbor gets away with cutting his lawn super short, or you've seen all these cool YouTube videos where these guys are cutting their lawns down to ½ an inch or less. You don't want to do that. You just want to get the proper mowing height for your type of grass. I get it, but don't do it unless you have a flat lawn, the right grass type, and the proper mower. Each type of cool season grass has a preferred height of cut. The fescues enjoy a height of cut around 2.5 to 4 inches. Kentucky bluegrass likes to be cut around 2.5 to 3 inches, and perennial ryegrass enjoys being cut shorter to 1.5 to 2.5 inches. If you have a mixed lawn where you have all 3 or 2 grass types, or you don't know your lawn's grass type and you live in the north, stick with 3 inches and you can't go wrong. The problem is, with cutting your grass too low, you can damage the plant's crowns, stunt growth, cause yellowing, and invite disease into your lawn. Stick with the proper height of cut and never cut off more than 1/3 of the grass blade, which leads us to number 2. If you let your grass grow too long, you're going to actually just end up with an ugly lawn. You're going to end up breaking the 1/3 rule all the time, and you're going to have a damaged, diseased, thinned out lawn. You're going to let that dead grass that you cut off mat down into your current live grass, smother it, kill it, and you're going to invite weeds and bare spots. Let me show you an example of my yard. In the month of April, we moved a picnic table into the yard and I failed to mow the area for several weeks. Finally, I cut off 5 inches of grass, overly exposed the crowns, and damaged the grass. It's super thinned out. Now I'm left with a yellow, weak, and thinned out grass spot. Mowing at least once a week, twice if you can, will encourage your lawn to be lush, thick, and green. Number 3. For a long time I bragged my old snapper push mower started on the first pull. However, I failed to do any basic maintenance of the mower. I didn't change the oil, I didn't sharpen the blades, and I didn't clean up the buildup of grass under my mower's deck. This resulted in a poor cut and lots of grass clumps in the yard. A poor cut, which looks jagged and torn on the blade of grass, invites disease into your lawn and diminishes the quality of the grass. On top of that, even if I was mowing regularly, I was getting clumps of grass all over the place. 4 to 8 hours, those clumps turned into brown mess and smothered my lawn, thus killing the grass. These bare spots then invite unsightly weeds. Keeping a fresh, sharp blade on your mower and keeping debris out from underneath your mower will improve your cut and reduce grass clippings from clumping together. While there is a near endless list of tips and tricks to improve your lawn, these 3 common mistakes will take your lawn to the next level. I can near guarantee that your lawn will significantly improve if you set your mower to mow at the right height of cut, mow your lawn frequently, and maintain your lawnmower. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helps you on your path to a better lawn. If you enjoyed this and you found it informative, please give this video a like, and if you want to stick around and be my neighbor, hit subscribe. Until next time, peace.